Look around you. The phone in your hand, the wires in your walls, the frame of a skyscraper. Metals form the backbone of our modern world. But what makes them so special? Why can you bend a paperclip, but a ceramic plate shatters? The secret lies in a unique atomic arrangement called metallic bonding. Imagine a tightly packed grid of positive metal ions, like oranges stacked at a market. Now, picture their outermost electrons breaking free, no longer tied to any single atom. These electrons form a mobile sea that flows freely throughout the entire structure, acting like a flexible, conductive glue holding the positive ions together. This simple electron sea model unlocks everything. Because these electrons can move, they easily carry an electrical current and transfer heat. That's why copper is perfect for wiring and cookware. This model also explains why metals are malleable and ductile. When you hammer a piece of gold, the layers of positive ions can slide past one another without shattering the structure, cushioned by that ever-present sea of electrons. But we can improve on nature. By intentionally mixing metals with other elements, we create alloys with superior properties. Think of steel. Pure iron is strong, but it rusts. By adding a small amount of carbon, we make it dramatically harder. Add some chromium, and you create stainless steel, which resists corrosion. It's like following a recipe to design a better material. This principle of atomic-level design is the heart of material science. Researchers are now engineering materials at the nanoscale, where properties change entirely. Gold nanoparticles, for instance, aren't yellow. They can be red or purple and are used in medical diagnostics. From creating lighter alloys for spacecraft to building the next generation of electronics, understanding metallic bonding isn't just chemistry class, it's the blueprint for building the future.